Bekumatasa ezifundeni zokuvota ezingama450 nomuvo kuzwelonke njengoba abavoti abangaphezulu kwe-1,300 bebambe iqhaza okhethweni lokuchibiyela. Ikhomishana yokhetho ithi igculisekile ngokuthi izikhungo zivule ngehora lesikhombisa ekseni ngaphandle kwehibe.
As we all know, the stations will close at 9 this evening, and we want to urge those who have not already gone to stations to do so. This is an important opportunity for people to elect their political leadership and in so doing influence the direction of community development within their wards.
iGauteng isona sifundazwe obekuncintiswana kuso ngamawadi amaningi njengoba ibeyisikhombisa eNedale nokuyindawo ephethwe yiDA.
We've held this ward. We're optimistic that we hope we've done enough. We don't take our votes for granted.
ANC is an organization that has demonstrated over the years that it does have ability to deal with its own internal problems and resolve them amicably. Yes, there are issues with the regional chair which are related to his appearance as a witness in the Zondo Commission, and those matters has been or are being handled properly by the Provincial Executive Committee.
The way we are building the EFF, slowly but surely, and we are doing it nicely. We are building this thing and we are growing at our pace. But one day when we start winning, you'll hold my hand, we'll win the whole country.
We will run this board accordingly. As we want to bring change into the community, there's no development here in Inadale, but we need to bring that on point.
I am, in fact, an ex-DA councillor that has gone over to the Patriotic Alliance purely on the grounds that the Patriotic Alliance is the one party in our country at this moment that shows growth. The Patriotic Alliance is the one party in this country that treats all people equally.
Kusenjalo eLimpopo bekubangwa izihlalo ezine kanti bekuncintisana amaqembu amabili iEFF kanye neANC kuWard 9 ngaphansi komasipala wasePolokwane. Lesihlalo savuleka ngemva kokushona kwekhansela leANC ezinyangeni ezimbalwa ezedlule. Izakhamuzi kumasipala amahlathi eEastern Cape seyikhale ngokuhlinzekwa ngezidingo nqangi isikhathi eside. Zethemba ukuthi ivoti lazo lizoletha uguquko.
Omasipala abasixolisi abanankathalo sithi sibanazo iward committee ziye phaya inansi ziye phaya kubo bangahoyi.
Siyasokola abadala ingakumba abantu abadala basokola xa ungekho manzi kufuneka boyowakha ngapha eqoboqobo ebridge. Phinde ndisenye into endisibeka isikhalazo sam yiclinic, mobile clinic engekhoyo apha eXoxa ukho abantu abadala ngoxa bebheka ngapha esibedlela eGida funeka beqeshile imoto.
Bekuncintiswana nakwelinye iward kuso lesifundazwe uWard 17 kumkhandlu dolobha iNelson Mandela Bay. iANC inezihlalo ezingama-49 kulomkhandlu onezihlalo ezili-120 kanti iEFF yona ineziyisithupha. Angama-40 amawodi abebangwa kulolu khetho lokuchibiyela.
Kusenjalo bekuphithizela ezikhungweni zokuvota namhlanje kwaZulu Natal. Ayisikhombisa ke amawodi asingathe ukhetho lokuchibiyela. Izakhamuzi ezibhaliseleke ukuvota zithi into emqoka kuzona ukuhlinzekwa ngezidingo zomphakathi.
Sivotela ukuthi sithole iclinic asinayo eMori. Istate samaphoyisa la ngaphakathi asikho la eMori. Nesikole asikho isikole la eMori. Nezindle esihleli kuzona sezincane ingane ikhulile sasifika nje.
We need a lot of changes. So we're hoping and praying whichever candidate it can be, they need to improve Mount Maraya.
Amaqembu ezombusazwe ke nawo abengazibekile phansi ethe chithisaka ezikhungweni zokuvota.
We're here just to confirm that we are reclaiming our ward because this is our previous ward. It was taken by mistake.
Mbona ukuthi ke esikwenzile kwanele sengaba yikho ukuthi ke abantu bona ke ngendlela ababone ngayo isinqumo abasithatha wesiphi kodwa thina ngokwethu njenge-IFP kule ward lesisebenze ngokukhulu kwikhandla.
Amaqembu ezombusazwe athi ke azokusebenzisa leli ukhetho lokuchibiyela ukulungiselela ke ukhetho lukazwelonke lohulumeni bezindawo elizosingathwa ngasekupheleni kwalonyaka. NginguSimpiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC ngiseThekwini.